Welcome to our channel where today we're unlocking the secrets to installing Plex and streaming your own media effortlessly. Welcome to our channel where today we're unlocking the secrets to installing Plex and streaming your own media effortlessly. Plex is a powerful media server platform that lets you organize, stream, and enjoy your personal collection of movies, TV shows, music, and photos on nearly any device. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to get Plex up and running on your system. First, head over to the official Plex website and download the Plex Media Server software that's compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the server. After installation, launch the Plex Media Server application. You'll be prompted to create a free Plex account or sign in if you already have one. This account will help you manage your media libraries and access your content remotely. Next, you'll want to set up your media libraries. Plex lets you categorize your collections into movies, TV shows, music, photos, and more. Click on Add Library, select the type of content you want to add, name your library, then navigate to the folder on your computer or attached storage where those files are located. Add the folders and let Plex scan and organize your content automatically. Now, Plex is ready to stream your content locally on your network. For remote streaming, you'll need to enable remote access. Go to the server settings and under the Remote Access tab, ensure it's turned on. Plex will attempt to configure your network to allow streaming outside your home. To enjoy your media, install the Plex client app on your streaming device of choice, such as a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming box. Sign in with your Plex account, and you'll see your organized media libraries ready for streaming. Remember that the streaming quality depends on your internet speed and the device's capabilities. Plex also offers additional features like parental controls, subtitles, and even premium access with Plex Pass for enhanced functions. Take some time to explore these options to get the most out of your personal media server. Setting up Plex transforms how you experience your media collection by making it accessible anytime, anywhere, and on almost any device. Enjoy the freedom of streaming your personal videos, music, and photos effortlessly with Plex. Don't forget to keep your server software updated for the best performance and security. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on Plex installation and media streaming.